On the morning of September 4, 2024, Class 3rd B hosted the morning assembly. The assembly started with the pledge and then ran forward with the thought and word of the day.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. The ubiquitous presence of technology shapes in our daily lives in profound ways. Today, new word is ubiquitous, and the meaning of the word is present, appearing, or found everywhere.
Afterwards, the news was presented and the Bharat Jano facts were shared with everyone.
Protest against killing of Sikhs hostage in Gaza demand India is the tiger capital of the world.
To test the general knowledge of the students, GK questions were also asked along with some amazing facts.
Which is the largest irrigation canal in India? Answer: India Gandhi Canal. Number 4 is the only one with the same amount of letters. Caterpillars have 12 eyes.
To make learning easier, mnemonic was shared and proverb to make your language more attractive.
Proverb of the day is Rome was not built in a day, meaning difficult tasks always take time to accomplish. Today's mnemonics of the day is fanbuzz. It helps to learn connective conjunctions. S stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, S stands for so.
Just was a good tip to knowledge. Sunrise and sunset time was shared with temperature of the day.
Today's maximum temperature are 30 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature are 20 degrees Celsius.
Phase of moon and number facts too had significance in our day-to-day life.
The phases of moon is waxing crescent. Every odd number has E in it. From 1 to 1000. 1000 is the only number which has A in it.
Hindi Panchang was shared so that we do not separate from culture roots.
दिनांक 4 सितंबर वार बुधवार विक्रम संवत 2081 तिथि द्वितीय पक्ष शुक्ल पक्ष मास भाद्रपद.
Myths and riddles were spoken to check the critical thinking of the students.
What has face but can't smile? The correct answer is clock. Today's myth of the day is don't go near people tree at night.
Question of the day was something which can leave us wondering sometimes.
Today's word is debris. The correct pronunciation of the word is debris. An interesting event when Mahatma Gandhi led a peaceful movement called Salt March. He led a big walk called Salt March. Today's school news headlines are as follows. Class 5 Hindi event, GK club event, think and.
Following it, the birthday card was given to the birthday star by Principal Sir. The assembly was concluded with speech by Principal Sir and then national anthem.
Class performance, though it is class 3, but few of the children have really outplayed. They have spoken much better than what we used to do. So congratulations to all those children. Some of the children, of course, they are doing something so that they can come up with the areas where they are wanting the improvements to happen.
Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.